That's not a ship, that's a floating city that forgot how to leave.
Up close, this thing doesn't feel abandoned. It feels parked.
From up here, it finally makes sense why they didn't want to leave.
Standing up here, it feels less like a ship, more like an empty neighborhood. This was the quietest room on the ship, which usually means the most decisions were made here.
Every ship hides its real story below deck. This one just... Whatever this place carried, it's been sitting here longer than anyone remembers.
Hard to imagine this packed with people. Now it barely sounds like it remembers them.
Ships like this don't really get abandoned, they just stop needing people.